Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here.
Are you ready to see the largest land machine ever? Powering away at a huge open-cut mine is the king of all diggers, the bucket wheel excavator. The bucket wheel excavator is enormous. It's the size of an oil tanker, but on land. It's so big that it makes this huge mining dump truck look tiny. And it's heavy too. As heavy as 2,000 elephants. The giant digger has 18 buckets attached to a tremendous spinning wheel. The spinning wheel sits at the end of a really long boom, spinning and picking up coal as it goes. Each bucket can pick up tons and tons of dirt and coal. It is the fastest machine at digging in the world. But, sitting on its 12 massive crawlers, the excavator moves very slowly. Let's speed everything up so we can see the action. The bucket wheel excavator digs and dumps at the same time. It does this by moving the dirt and coal along a conveyor belt. Through the machine and along the conveyor belt, the coal travels. It is then taken by big freight trains. And from there to power stations to create electricity. Back at the mine, the big digger continues to work all day and all night. What an amazing machine! Hooroo!
To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.